எல்லோருக்கும் வணக்கம். Good morning. Today we are celebrating Mahatma Gandhi's 152nd birthday. Throughout his life, he was emphasizing that the man should seek his inner freedom. Though he was fighting against the mighty British to get freedom for a whole nation, but he was advising people and he was exploring ways and means for the individual to get freedom from within. And he was worried about the 7 social sins we were living with. The first one was politics without principles. The second one is knowledge without character. The third one was commerce without morality. The fourth one was science without humanity. The fifth one is pleasure without conscience. And sixth one is worship without sacrifice. Seventh one is wealth without work. To eradicate these 7 social sins, he found out 11 personal values. If each and every one of us practice those 11 values, then we can eradicate these 7 social sins outside. What are they? The first one is truth, non-violence. The third one is non-stealing, non-possession, bread labor, Swadeshi, fearlessness, removal of untouchability, equality of all religions, control of our senses, and brahmacharya. Again, people found it very hard to practice them. Because the simple one thing, bread labor, it was difficult for people. Because you have to work for your food. Nobody does it. Okay, leave everything. But now it is 151 years have gone. And still in our country, we are facing these 7 social sins, increasing day by day. So what is the way out? Can we blame someone? Can we blame the government? Or the economic sector, or the education system, or the so-called religious organizations? Blaming and complaining drains our energy. So we have to intelligently explore small micro actions by following which we can come out and fill our life with joyfulness. So today I am starting a movement of myself, the joy of living. Do we have joy in our life? Just think for a moment. Why? Who is the reason behind it? It is none other than me. If I come forward, I can bring peace in others' life, by which I can bring peace in myself. This is what Gandhiji said. So I am suggesting lot of micro actions, simple micro actions. Every day we have to take one and practice it continuously for 21 days. Psychologists, they say, if you practice a thing for 21 days continuously, it becomes a part of your life. So let me suggest the first one, and from this day I am going to suggest one more action every day for 152 days. Anybody who likes it, you can start practicing it. Suppose you don't like it today, just wait for tomorrow. If you like it, you can practice that for another 21 days. Is it okay? So the first one is, suppose someone comes to you and he wants to talk to you. Okay, just sit in front of him, look at his eyes and share your heart with him. And whatever he says, just listen to it without any interruption. Say, just fix a time limit, 5 minutes. Let's do it. Let's try it. And finally, let us find out what is the joy we get, both of us. So let us do it. Then we can find joy and peace in our life. Thank you so much.